This video will be about how to augment a shift or schedule. So in the case of that you have a holiday and that day is not being worked, or you're going to work overtime for a certain day, you want to add that in. So what this will allow you to do is any panels you have running or any reports that you run will basically take that schedule into account. So essentially come to your welcome VT3000 page, select core software. You're going to select the shifts and schedules over here on the left, or you can go through this in configuration, shifts and schedules. It's going to be your schedule. Let's just say this is the one that we want to augment. You can select the augment button down here. This is going to show the date. It's going to show what today's date is. So now we're working on September 1st. If I'm going to, like for instance, the 5th is a Labor Day. So if I want to change that to where we're not going to be working, I would select that day. And I have my options here. Default, that means you're going to use what's already established inside this schedule. Disabled would mean we're not working that day. Customized would be that we're going to customize the time frame that we're working. So for me, is I'm just going to hit disabled. So for the first shift, and I have 2 shifts on mine, so then I would need to hit my second shift. I would hit disabled. As you can see over here, that day gets grayed out. My schedule is also running where it's just Monday through Friday, so that's why Sunday and Saturday are grayed out, because I'm not working those days. For instance, if we wanted for the 6th, maybe we're coming in later in the day. So what we could do is we go to our first shift, and we would customize it. And so, for instance, say we're coming in at 7 a.m. on that day. Now then that would give us a customized shift from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. on the day after the holiday. See that this is going to show in yellow, which means that it's been augmented from the original. You can also change any of your breaks if those break times need to change. You can add new breaks to it, whatever it is that you need. This will kind of give you a representation. Once you're done, just hit save and exit. Now that schedule has been augmented for those 2 days or that 1 day, however it is you see. That concludes the end of this video on how to augment a shift. Look forward to talking to you again.